Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got some lovely items to share with you from Colourful DIY today. They were kind enough to send me these goodies. So let's start with what is in the smallest envelope. And yeah, exciting. I love post. Okay, so this is the first one. This is a round and it is a 30 by 40, but I just thought it was a gorgeous sort of, what would you call it? It's sort of, I don't know, it makes me think of the likes of the desert, more of a desert with then the mountains and stuff, but the colours in it I thought were really nice. And then we do have, of course, the sun with not a cloud in the sky because it is the hot place. But yeah, the colours on this one I really liked, and we've got the cactus and the mountains. I thought it was a little bit different. So we do get a toolkit, pen boat wax boat pen, I know which one we want to say it, boat wax pen, I think that's what I normally say. And there's some really fun colours in this. So to have a look here, first off we have some gorgeous nice bright reds. That's number 3705, so it is a bit more like a pink. Got some more pinks, got some nice purples. Does have DMC numbers, which is good. We have some more muted red. We do have a little bit of black, but then look, we get into all these fun bright red colours. A little bit different to go for some bright red, but with some purples and some peaches. Nice pop of green. I mean, look at that. I like working in fun, colourful colours. We do have some pale and of course some dark mixed in. But there's enough brights in there to make it feel like a nice, fun, colourful, chirpy painting, which is always good. So it's a 30 by 40 canvas-wise, but the actual diamond painting area is 24. And then try and get this to go flat by about 34. So we do have a 3 centimetre border all the way around, but I liked it. Okay, let me find somewhere to put those diamonds out of the way while we get on to number 2. This one is in a bigger bag, but it might actually be a little bit of a thinner diamond painting, and I know why. I've just spotted what it is and now I know why. So this one is a special diamond painting, so it is a partial. We do get boat wax pen, but look at that, it's got some really bright colourful colours, if that even makes sense. Nice bright colours on this one as well. Must have been having a bright colour kind of day. This one is again 24 by, let me just get it to make sure it goes down the divot. Yeah, by about 34. So it's about the same size for the printed part, though of course where you actually place the diamonds is less, because this is a special diamond painting. It is, you don't put diamonds all the way to the edge. Oh, this is quite nice. So in with the colours for these, they don't look to be just crystals, it's a mixture. So the first one, greens, we do have crystals because they have the silver back. But then the yellow is AB coated. They're not faceted, so they are more like a pearl in the fact that they're smooth, but of course they're yellow, not white. So we have AB coated, and we have that in blue and pink as well. Oh, look at those colours with AB coatings, so nice. Then we go back to some crystals in some purple. We have some little blue hearts. We have those little ones that remind me of buttons. They're in yellow. Remind me of buttons I used to have on my cardigan, or even my kids had on their knitted cardigans when they were babies. Then we have some red crystals and some blue. I like that. I like that variety of, you know, AB mixed in with crystals, so AB coated mixed in. I think that makes a nice statement when it comes to a painting. Ooh, good choice from me. And then, last but by no means least, we have the big one, or bigger one. And in this case, oh, this is a bit more muted, but this one I could see going, you know, in a hallway or in a front room or even in a bedroom. Now, you get the diamond off. Oh, you get 2 toolkits in case you want to share. We all know my view on sharing. And it comes to my diamond paintings. Now, it is orientated that way as a 40 by 60, but it is one of those images that you could quite easily place any way around and it would work depending on what your space is like. But this I thought would look lovely in a front room, hallway. It's got even a bedroom. It's just got a little bit of class to it, I think. A little bit of a classy look. It is 23 colours. They do have DMC numbers, and this one is also in round. The size of this one is 35 for the diamond painting area. 35 by 54. So again, that one also has like a 3 centimetre border around each size. But let's put it that way, and then you can still see all the image. But yeah, I think it's just a little bit of class in a diamond painting. If you want to be able to put some up in your home, there is some that is quite, you know, blocks of colours mixed in with some that's more confetti. So it does give you a bit of both. It does have a lot of whites, which is these big blocks of colour here. And that is reflected in the 5 bags of white that you get. Though if you're working on this painting in sections, while you'll have blocks of it, you'll then go into sections of a painting that don't have blocks, so it probably won't feel as bad as some can do. But that is a lot of white diamonds. We then of course have quite a few more muted tones, more of a coffee, brown, creamy look. And it's the same in the rest. So we do have some purples and greens, which will probably bring in those softer highlights. But it is a palette that's quite creamy in tone, even though it does have, of course, greys and whites in there as well. But yeah, I think this would make a nice, classy piece of artwork in somebody's home, depending on, of course, what sort of look that you're going for. But yeah, I'd put that up. I think it's nice. So I will pop links, of course, to all of these down below so that you can see. But I'm really impressed with how that one looks. It'd be fun to do. And we've got a nice bright colours, if that's what you prefer, with a nice desert scene. We've got your specials with your butterflies, and of course a little bit of class mixed in, because we can like colour and class. So I will pop links to all of these down below in case you are interested. Thank you so much to Colourful DIY for sending me these to share with you all. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will speak to you all again soon.